In this video, we can see how to print Fibonacci series in C language. So this is the Fibonacci series. So here the first digit is 0, second is 1, third digit is obtained by adding the previous two digits. Similarly, each digit is obtained by adding the previous two digits. So this is the series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, etc. So let's see how we are obtaining each digit. First two digits are 0 and 1 respectively. So A1 and A2 is 0 and 1. So here A3 is obtained by adding the previous two digits, that is A2 and A1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. A4 is obtained by adding A3 and A2, that is 1 plus 1 2. A5 is obtained by adding A4 and A3, that is 2 plus 1 3. And we can obtain all other digits in the similar way. Now we can see how to print n elements of the Fibonacci series in C language. First, we can include the standard input output library. This is hash include stdio.h. This library includes the standard input output functions. So if we are using printf, scanf kind of functions in our program, we should include this library function. Then next we can write the main function. The main function includes all the executable code. So we should write all our executable code inside the main function. Then first we can declare a variable n. This variable n is to collect the count of the number of Fibonacci series to be printed. So now you can use a printf statement to give a message to the user, like enter the count of number of Fibonacci series to be printed. Then using scanf function, we can collect the input from user, and this value collected from user will be stored to the memory location assigned to value n. Now we can use a for loop to print the Fibonacci series. So this for loop, for this for loop, we can assign a variable I, and this for loop will execute n times, since we have given I less than or equal to n. And using a printf statement, we can print the value of a. So for a Fibonacci series, the first value is 0 and the second value is 1, and we have also declared another variable c to calculate the next value. Here we know that for a Fibonacci series, the third element is the sum of the first and second elements. So we have written this equation, and we also have assigned a equal to b and b equal to c, because we know that here for a Fibonacci series, the previous digit is equal to uh, the digit is equal to the sum of previous two digits. So we have assigned like this. Then after the for loop, we have given a return 0 statement. This is because the return type of main function is int. Now I'll show how it outputs, like when we are running this code. So when we are running, it will execute. If we are giving 5, means it will print the 5 elements of the Fibonacci series. Now I'll explain how this iteration works. Initially, we have declared a equal to 0, b equal to 1. We know like c is not assigned. Then when I becomes 1, like c becomes the sum of a plus b, that is equal to 1. Then a is assigned the previous b value and b is assigned the c value. Now when I becomes 2, c is equal to this a plus b. Then a becomes previous b value and b becomes the c value. Then when I equal to 3, c becomes sum of previous a and b. A becomes the previous B value and B becomes the previous C value. When I equal to 4, C is the sum of previous A and B values. A equal to previous B value and B equal to previous C value. Now we can see that the consecutive 5 values of the Fibonacci series are updated in A 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. This is how the Fibonacci series is being executing. And thank you.